morning, K Squad. I got another video for you guys this morning. It's going to be on the Cat 1800 PSI electric pressure washer, and it's going to be on a Drummond water pump from Harbor Freight. I'm trying both of them together and see how they work. So we're going to get some real world results and see if they really worth the money or pass on them and try to get something else, you know. So I got this one off Amazon for about $200, the Cat 1800 PSI electric pressure washer, and I got the Drummond water pump from Harbor Freight for about $69. I think it was like for $69 what I bought it for. And this my setup here. I have the water tank, of course. I have a filter here that filter out the trash that possibly could get in the water pump. And I have a hose here. So it's from Amazon hose out of Miami, Florida. I have another hose also that runs around to the pressure washer. And we're gonna see if it's worth, with both together, I say roughly $280. See if they worth the money. And I have a gas pressure washer, the DeWalt 3400. That's the big boy there that I use too. But I'm trying out the electric. I'm trying to go electric and see if it's worth, if it's even worth trying out, So we're gonna try and see if just gonna try them out on my car here and just see if do we get enough pressure coming from the pressure washer out of the tank, because a lot of people have a lot of trouble getting water to their pressure washers out of the tank. So, which I have too. I have had problems too. Like normally when I crank up my pressure washer, the gas one, because I didn't have the pump, it'll take about at least a minute or so before the pump start catching the water, and that's like a big delay. I mean, like 1 or 2 minutes. That's a lot of time that's wasted. When you got the detailing cars, because you're trying to get to the next car or truck or whatever you're doing. The next customer. So we're gonna try it out and see if it's worth it, if we're gonna get some pressure. And I'm not hooked up to my garden hose. My garden hose is in here, and so everything is hooked up. And I'm gonna use my generator to generate the power, because I'm not gonna use my home power, because I'm gonna use it just like I'm out on a job, see if it works or fails. So we're gonna see. Okay, so I'm gonna put my camera here so we can see if it's gonna work or not. I'm gonna crank up the generator. So we're gonna see if we're gonna get some pressure. What I do next, I try the foam cannon and see if it works. Okay, so I think it did pretty well for electric pressure washer. I mean, it got the car kind of foamy. I didn't really spray too much, but it did get the car foamy. So I think it's pretty decent. I mean, for $200, you can't beat it. I mean, it got like a five piston pump setup. I think it's like the active pressure washer that's on Amazon also. Just different names, same internals. For the cat, and I think the Harbor Freight, the Drummond pump, I think that's not too bad. I mean, it's getting the water to the pressure washer pretty quick, and that's what you need. So I think it's a good buy. So that's the car again. It's a little foamy, you know. So that's what it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and have a good day. The car is ceramic coated also. That's why it's beating up like that. It's ceramic coated for over a year. Still holding up. But the 1800 PSI pressure washer with the Harbor Freight Drummond pump, oh man, they're great, man. They're great together. See it for yourself. Can't be more happier, man. Good, great.